Hey there friends, today we're diving back into the world of complex trading patterns. We'll work through one of the key patterns and share a strategy that could help you make smarter moves in crypto trading. Together we'll explore one of the classic patterns that's respected across the community, the head and shoulders. Not a shampoo, of course. Once you understand how this pattern works, you can use it as a powerful signal in your trades. Smash the like button if you're already intrigued, so let's get started. What exactly is a head and shoulders pattern? This trend reversal pattern often signals that the current trend may be ending and that a shift in the opposite direction is likely. It's made up of three distinct peaks. The middle one, known as the head, is typically the tallest, while the two on either side are the shoulders, usually lower and roughly equal in height. Look at the chart here. There's our head, with shoulders on each side. If the trend was bullish, this pattern can hint at a potential drop. The reverse pattern indicates a reversal after the downtrend, indicating an expected rise. The core idea here is to give you a heads up about trend reversals. Once identified, you might open a short position if the trend heads downward or a long position if it's going up. This pattern is potential, so it's no surprise it's considered a classic, so give it a try and gain some first-hand experience. Let's dive into an example using the Bitcoin USDT chart. Here, after an upward trend, we see the formation of the pattern. First, the left shoulder, then the head at the highest point, followed by the right shoulder. When the neckline is broken, it signals a possible entry for a sell. Or look at this similar chart where the pattern is flipped. Shorting here could be a smart move to profit from the market. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention the neckline. The neckline typically represents an average price level and can be a helpful guide for deciding when to buy or sell. So keep an eye on the sharp peaks and neckline breaks. If you're assessing the situation carefully and tracking trade volumes, you're on the right track. Now that we know how this pattern looks and when to use it, let's talk about getting the most out of it. Here's a recommended step-by-step approach, so feel free to jot this down so you don't miss a step. Number 1. Spot the pattern and wait for both the shoulders and the head to fully form before making a trade. Number 2. Be patient and wait for the neckline to break, which confirms the reversal. Number 3. And the essential must-have, make sure volume supports the breakout. High volume during the neckline break strengthens the likelihood of a trend reversal. Number 4. Target level. Aim for the distance from the neckline to the top of the head. Measure from the breakout point to estimate your target level. Here's how I draw it on this chart. Hopefully this will stick and you'll be ready to give it a shot. Also, in addition to this pattern, you can look for divergence on the RSI for additional confirmation of the trend reversal. So friends, the head and shoulders pattern is a critical signal for market movement and shifting momentum. Use it wisely and you'll be well positioned for those big swings and trend shifts. Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and catch you next time.